Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D stacked column chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make 3D stacked column chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. Now we can see here many chart, column, line, pie, etc. Now I select the column chart. Then select the 3D stacked column chart. Then click the chart and click OK. Now we can see here we insert the 3D stacked column chart very easily. Now we drag and move the data option, then click the chart and we can see here many options. Click the chart and go to the design menu. We change the chart style, click the style drop down menu and apply any style. Otherwise you can change the chart manually or apply another thing. Check mark on the as titles and data table or data table. Otherwise you can don't check mark this option. We override the grid lines or add the grid line. Click the chart and right button on our mouse, then click edit data. Then edit the chart data very easily. Edit the legend or categories. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.